Russia's building some jaw-dropping mega projects that are making the world look twice. From Arctic railways to massive LNG facilities, they're transforming their infrastructure on an unprecedented scale. Today, we're exploring $9 billion projects reshaping Russia's future. Number 9. Vostochny Wind Farm. Harnessing Arctic winds. The Vostochny Wind Farm is currently being built in Russia's Leningrad Oblast, and once completed, it will have a massive capacity of 1,200 megawatts. This wind farm is set to finish construction by 2024. Situated in the northern area of the Leningrad Oblast, the chosen location is ideal for wind power generation due to its consistently high winds. Picture a landscape where 120 wind turbines stand tall, working tirelessly to harness the power of the wind. These turbines are the backbone of the Vostochny Wind Farm, generating electricity that will not only light up homes, but also power various businesses in the region. It's a significant step towards sustainable energy, utilizing the natural resources available in Russia's northern region to create a greener and more environmentally friendly future. The farm will generate clean energy, reducing Russia's reliance on fossil fuels while providing stable power to the area. Number 8. Baltic LNG. Liquefaction on the Baltic coast. Baltic LNG is a project in Russia that's turning natural gas into liquefied natural gas. They're building it on the Baltic Sea coast, and it's set to finish in 2024. Once done, it can make 13 million tons of LNG every year. Russian companies like Gazprom and Novatek, along with the Italian company Eni, are working together on this project. They're using advanced cutting-edge technology to do this liquefying process. The facility is being constructed on the Baltic Sea coast and will manufacture LNG using state-of-the-art liquefaction technology. The idea is that Baltic LNG will help Russia send more LNG to Europe, strengthening their position as a major energy supplier. This strategic location allows efficient shipping routes to European markets, making it a crucial component of Russia's energy export infrastructure. Number 7. Khabarovsk-Vladivostok High-Speed Railway, connecting the Far East. There's this high-speed railway in the works in Russia called the Khabarovsk-Vladivostok High-Speed Railway. It's not just any railway. It's going to connect Khabarovsk and Vladivostok, making the journey between them just a 6-hour ride. Imagine that. A quick trip across the Far East. The whole project is expected to be up and running by 2027. That's like having a super fast train zipping through the tracks in just a few years. The Khabarovsk-Vladivostok High-Speed Railway is more than just a transportation project. It's like a big deal for connecting the Russian Far East with the rest of the country. The railway isn't just about trains going from one place to another. It's about boosting the region's economy. It's like giving the area a growth spurt. This high-speed railway is all set to make waves and bring people and places closer than ever before, strengthening transportation links between Russia's European and Asian regions. Number 6. Moscow-Kazan High-Speed Railway, cutting travel time. The Moscow-Kazan High-Speed Railway, currently in the works, aims to connect Moscow and Kazan in just 3 hours, with a planned completion date in 2025. Covering a distance of 770 kilometers, the railway will be served by 25 high-speed trains. The project not only seeks to reduce travel time dramatically, but also aims to stimulate regional economic growth. This initiative is expected to have a positive impact on both transportation efficiency and the local economy. The route will pass through several major cities, creating new economic opportunities along the corridor. The railway is intended to shorten travel time significantly while also boosting regional development, connecting major population centers, and facilitating business and tourism. Number 5. Northern Latitudinal Railway, opening the Arctic. A groundbreaking project known as the Northern Latitudinal Railway is currently underway. This Arctic railway line, spanning an impressive 2,500 kilometers, is set to become the world's longest Arctic railway. It aims to connect the cities of Murmansk and Salikar, acting as a crucial link between Russia's European and Asian regions. The anticipated completion date for this extensive railway is 2035. However, this ambitious endeavor faces numerous challenges. Constructing a railway in the Arctic poses unique difficulties due to the harsh environment. Specialized equipment and procedures are essential for overcoming these challenges. Moreover, the railway will traverse through environmentally sensitive areas, necessitating a careful approach to minimize the impact on nature. Despite these obstacles, the Northern Latitudinal Railway holds great significance for Russia. Beyond its transportation implications, this massive project is poised to open up the Arctic region for economic development. By enhancing transportation links between the European and Asian parts of the country, the railway promises to play a vital role in shaping Russia's future and accessing untapped natural resources in the region. Number 4. Kursk Nuclear Power Plant. 2. Atomic energy expansion. The Kursk Nuclear Power Plant 2 is currently being built in Russia, and it's set to have 4 reactors, generating a total of 4,800 megawatts of power. This massive project is expected to be completed by 2027, and when it's up and running, it's going to play a major role in Russia's economy. The plant will create job opportunities for thousands of people and contribute significantly to the country's income, reaching billions of dollars. One of the key goals of the Kursk Nuclear Power Plant 2 is to help Russia reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. By doing so, Russia aims to establish itself as a major player in the global nuclear energy market. This means that not only will the plant contribute to the country's energy needs, but it will also position Russia as a prominent player in the worldwide shift towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. The impact of this project extends beyond just providing power. It's a strategic move towards a more sustainable and diversified energy future for Russia. Number 3. Yamal LNG 2. Arctic gas giant. Yamal LNG 2 is a large facility currently being built on the Yamal Peninsula to turn natural gas into liquid form. With a massive yearly capacity of 17.5 million tons, it is set to become the world's largest LNG facility once completed in 2024. This project is a collaboration between Russian companies Gazprom and Novatek, along with the French corporation Total. Situated in the expansive Arctic territory of the Yamal Peninsula, known for its abundant natural gas resources, the facility will utilize cutting-edge liquefaction technology to produce LNG. The liquefied natural gas will then be exported to markets worldwide. This ambitious undertaking is not just a construction project, it holds significant economic implications for Russia. Yamal LNG 2 is anticipated to generate thousands of jobs and contribute billions of dollars to the country's revenue. Beyond its economic impact, the project aims to reduce Russia's dependency on oil exports, positioning the country as a major player in the global LNG market. By diversifying its energy exports, Russia is looking to secure a prominent role in the international energy landscape. Number 2. Skolkovo Innovation Center. Russia's Silicon Valley. The Skolkovo Innovation Center, located in Moscow, Russia, is a place dedicated to research and development. It serves as a hotspot for innovation and technology. The Skolkovo Innovation Hub is a project supported by the government aiming to create a new hub for innovation and technology in Russia. This initiative includes various research and development facilities and a business incubator, all housed within the center. The main goal is to attract some of the most talented minds from Russia and around the world to contribute to innovative projects and ideas. The institution is designed to be a place where bright minds can collaborate and work on cutting-edge developments. A range of research and development facilities, as well as a business incubator, will be housed at the facility. The institution is intended to draw some of Russia's and the world's greatest and brightest brains, fostering innovation in technology, artificial intelligence, robotics, and renewable energy. Number 1. Arctic LNG 2, the second Arctic giant. The Arctic LNG 2 is a newly developed facility for turning natural gas into liquid form, and it's currently being built on the Yamal Peninsula. With a massive capacity of 12.6 million tons per year, it ranks as the world's second-largest LNG facility. The construction is a joint effort involving Russian companies Gazprom and Novatek, along with the French corporation Total. The completion of this factory is imminent. Scheduled to be situated on the same site as Yamal LNG 2 and utilizing similar liquefaction technology, Arctic LNG 2 is expected to have a substantial economic impact on Russia, akin to the impact of Yamal LNG 2. The project will be constructed using the same cutting-edge liquefaction technology and is predicted to have a comparable economic impact on Russia. Arctic LNG 2 is likewise a collaboration between major energy companies and will employ advanced technology to produce liquefied natural gas for export to global markets. Transforming a nation. These projects contribute to a series of mega construction initiatives currently underway in Russia, collectively reshaping the nation and positioning it as a global leader in energy, technology, and innovation. From Arctic railways opening up remote regions to massive LNG facilities securing Russia's position as an energy superpower, From nuclear power plants reducing fossil fuel dependency to innovation centers fostering technological breakthroughs, these endeavors mark a significant transformation for Russia. The country is making big strides in innovation and technology, emerging as a leader in various fields. Russian scientists and engineers are contributing significantly to fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and renewable energy. These achievements are not only making life better for Russians, but also positioning the country as a key player in the global technology landscape. With $700 billion invested in infrastructure and development, Russia is betting big on its future, creating a new era of connectivity, energy independence, and technological advancement.